How to fix PS5 error CE-117722-0. Please try the following steps to get PS5 error CE-117722-0 fixed. 1. Perform the internet connection test on PS Now. 2. Restart your PlayStation 5 and connect to the internet using a wired connection. Note, you may need to reconfigure the network settings later. 3. For wireless connection players, review the installation location, bring your PS5 closer to your router, and remove anything interrupting the connection between the devices. 4. Turn off your router and modem, and wait at least 5 minutes, then restart it. Refer to the following IMG. 5. Google how to update the firmware of your router, automatically. 6. For router players, try opening these ports: TCP, 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480 and UDP, 3478, 3479,49152655535. You may contact your ISP, Internet Service Provider, for more help or Google. 7. In the network settings, set up a static, manual, IP address. 8. Try changing DNS settings temporarily, as well. 9. Check if you were trying to play some downloadable game. If so, complete the download process and play later. Check if there is enough free space on the PS5 as well. 10. Leave your PS5 console for a while and try again later.